If you're over 60 and not waking up with erections anymore, it's not because your penis is broken. It's because of one mistake almost every man your age makes every single day, often without realizing it. This one mistake quietly shuts down your blood flow, drains your testosterone, and steals the confidence that once defined you. Harvard researchers call it the hidden circulation collapse. It doesn't just affect your erections, it's a warning sign that your entire vascular system is struggling. The good news? You can fix it. When you correct this one mistake, your body begins to restore natural blood flow, and your morning erections come back strong and steady, just like they used to be. No pills, no embarrassment, just your body working the way it was always meant to. Stay with me, because understanding this could save your manhood, your health, and your confidence. Have you noticed your erections getting weaker or stopped waking up with morning erections after 60? Type morning erection comeback in the comments because you're not the only one fighting this. Every comment helps another man feel less alone. Subscribe right now. Men like you deserve real answers, not empty promises. Meet Robert, 67 years old, a proud veteran, disciplined, married to the same woman for 40 years. He walked into my office one morning, looked down at the floor, and said quietly, "Doctor, I wake up and nothing happens anymore." I'm Dr. Catherine Rotker, a men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience, and I've heard that same sentence thousands of times. Most men, like Robert, blame aging. They think losing morning erections means they've crossed some invisible line, that their best days as a man are over. But that's not the truth. What I found wasn't a lack of testosterone or desire. It was something deeper, circulation collapse. His penis wasn't getting the early morning rush of blood it used to because his endothelial lining, the thin vital layer inside every blood vessel, had stiffened from years of sugar, stress, and restless nights. The very same vessels that once gave him strong morning erections were now clogged and starving for nitric oxide. "Your body still wants to perform," I told him, "but your blood flow has stopped listening." That's the real reason older men stop waking up with erections. Not age, not hormones, but silent vascular decay. The silent enemy that's been destroying your erections after 60 has a name: endothelial dysfunction. It's when the inner lining of your blood vessels can no longer relax and open the way it used to. Without that flexibility, blood can't flow properly. Not to your heart, not to your brain, and not to your penis. According to research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, over 70% of men struggling with erections have endothelial dysfunction, even if they look and feel healthy. It's caused by one thing: chronic inflammation. Every cigarette you smoked, every night you stayed up late, every sugary snack, they all released cortisol and oxidative stress that attacked your blood vessels, little by little. Over time, your nitric oxide, the molecule that gives your penis its strength and fullness, begins to vanish. Without nitric oxide, the smooth muscle inside your penis can't trap blood long enough to create an erection. And here's the truth: this process doesn't start overnight. It builds silently, sometimes for 10 or 15 years, until one morning you wake up and realize it's gone. If you're not waking up with erections, it's not just a bedroom issue. It's a cardiovascular warning sign. Good news: your body can repair blood flow and you can start waking up with erections again. You don't need pills. You need nitric oxide, consistency, and 3 simple habits that restore your penis from the inside out. First, drink beetroot water every morning. Dietary nitrates convert to nitric oxide in your saliva and gut. NIH reviews confirm this pathway. Randomized trials show beetroot juice can raise flow-mediated dilation by roughly 15 to 25% within weeks, which means better penile blood flow. In one 2018 study, daily beet beverages improved vascular performance by about 21%. Second, eat 2 Brazil nuts a day. That gives roughly 150 to 200 micrograms of selenium, often 270 to 360% of the daily value, per NIH. Selenium replenishes antioxidant defenses in blood vessels and Leydig cells, supporting testosterone and endothelial repair. Restoring deficiency can normalize levels within 4 to 6 weeks. Third, Walk briskly for 20 minutes daily. Aerobic exercise increases endothelial nitric oxide synthase and testosterone signaling. Harvard Health reports men who walk briskly most days cut erectile dysfunction risk by about 40%, and meta-analyses show aerobic training improves IIEF scores in as little as 8 to 12 weeks. Do these daily. Circulation improves and your erections follow. When you start fixing the real cause of weak erections, the changes begin faster than you think. By day 7, mornings feel lighter. You wake with more energy, clearer focus, and a subtle firmness or tingling that wasn't there before. That's your nitric oxide levels rising, blood finally flowing again. By day 14, you notice morning erections returning. Not perfect yet, but stronger. The confidence that slipped away starts to return. You feel your body remembering what it was built to do. By day 30, blood pressure stabilizes, energy rises, and you begin to recognize the man in the mirror again. You move differently. You feel grounded, alive, capable. Dr. Rotker tells her patients, when you wake up with an erection, it's not just a sign of sexual health. It's proof your heart and blood vessels are working. That's why fixing your erections isn't about vanity. It's about vitality. Every pulse of blood in your penis is a pulse of life through your entire body. It's your body saying, I'm still here. I still work. I'm still a man. Here's the one mistake that keeps most men from ever regaining their morning erections: chasing quick fixes. You take a pill, it works once or twice, and you think the problem's solved. But those pills don't heal your body. They mask the issue while your arteries keep stiffening underneath. Every time you depend on them, your body produces a little less nitric oxide on its own. Over time, that natural signal weakens, until one day the pill stops working, and you feel more broken than before. The other silent mistake is skipping sleep. During deep sleep, your testosterone and nitric oxide levels rise to their highest point. That's when your penis repairs itself, when blood vessels regenerate. But if you're sleeping 5 or 6 hours a night, you're cutting off that natural recovery cycle. A 2020 Harvard study found that men who slept less than 6 hours had nearly 30% lower testosterone and weaker erections than those who slept 7 or more. So if you're eating right, walking daily, drinking beetroot water, but still ignoring sleep, you're sabotaging your own progress. The truth is simple. The real fix for morning erections isn't chemistry. It's consistency. You can reclaim your confidence, not with pills or promises, but by restoring your blood flow, your discipline, and your daily habits. Morning erections are more than a sign of desire. They're a mirror of your inner health. So start today. Like this video, share it with a friend, and comment, I'm fixing my circulation. You're not broken, you're rebuilding.